In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through creating a landing page using HubSpot's Sales Hub Professional Trial. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the basics to get your landing page up and running smoothly. To get started, open your browser and go to the HubSpot Sales Hub Professional Trial Guide. This URL will take you directly to the tools you'll need. Now, once you're there, you'll notice a navigation menu on the side. It's quite user-friendly, designed to help you find what you need without a hassle. Next, look for the option labeled Content. Go ahead and click on it. Content is essential for your inbound marketing strategy, and this section houses all your resources in one place. After clicking, you'll see several content types listed. What you'll want to focus on is the Landing Pages option. Click on it to proceed. Landing pages are specifically designed to capture leads and guide visitors toward conversion, making them crucial for successful online marketing. Once you are on the Landing Pages section, focus your attention on the top right corner of your screen. There you'll find a Create button. Click on it to open a new landing page project. Creating your landing page from scratch can feel daunting, but this step makes it simple to start fresh or build off a pre-existing design. With that click, you're now ready to choose a template. HubSpot offers a variety of templates to suit your specific needs, whether you're promoting a webinar, a product launch, or capturing lead information. Click on the Select a Template option. Here you can browse through available templates or use the search bar if you have something specific in mind. Take your time exploring these, as each template offers unique design elements that can align with your overall branding and marketing goals. And that's it! You've now completed the foundational steps in setting up your landing page within the HubSpot Sales Hub professional environment. Be sure to customize your template with your specific content, images, and any other elements that align with your marketing objectives. Remember, the key to a successful landing page lies not only in its design but also in how well it communicates your offer and engages your audience. So, feel free to tinker, explore, and modify until it represents your vision. Don't forget to regularly check back and optimize based on the performance data HubSpot will provide. I hope this guide helps you get started with ease. If you have any questions, or if there's anything else you need to explore, feel free to dive deeper into HubSpot's Comprehensive Help Center or reach out through their support channels. Thanks for tuning in, and best of luck with your creative marketing journey.